When your factory needs 100 kilowatts of energy, it directly draws 100 kilowatts of energy from the grid. If you install a 70 kilowatt solar system, when your factory needs 100 kilowatts of energy, it draws 70 kilowatts from the solar panels and 30 kilowatts from the grid. When your factory needs 40 kilowatts of energy, the solar panels provide all 40 kilowatts of energy to your factory and sends the balance 30 kilowatts back to the grid. On days when your factory is shut and does not consume energy, all 70 kilowatts of energy generated by the solar panels are sent back to the grid. The grid then compensates for the units exported in the following month's bill.